Good evening, all of you. So today we're going to discuss about dictionaries, and after that we'll go and discuss about tuples and sets. So we'll go and discuss today class about the dictionaries. So let us start the session. So what is a dictionary? So dictionary is used to store the data in a key value pair formats. So the dictionary can be used to store the data in the form of a key value pair formats. And you know that already the dictionary is a data type in Python. So it is a which data type? So it is a mutable data type in Python. So dictionary is used to store the data in a key value pair format, and the dictionary is a data type in Python, and it is the mutable data type in Python. Now let us see how to create a dictionary in Python. So by using a open and closing curly brackets, by using open and closing curly brackets, so you have to write the key value. You have to write the key and followed by value, and this key and is separated by colons. The keys are separated by colon and followed by value. So for example, the syntax for writing of a or creating of a dictionary is, so dictionary is equal to name. So it is a string data type. So that's why I'm writing in double quotes and followed by colon. So colon and followed by the name is Tom, comma, age, colon, it is at 22. So in this example, name is a key. So the name and age. So the name and age is a key, and Tom and 22 is a value. So that's why a dictionary is used to store the data is in the form of a key and a value pair formats. So in this example, name is a key and Tom is a value, and age is a key and 22 is a value. So dictionary is a pair of key value pair formats, and you have to write the dictionary values in between open and closing curly brackets, and the key is separated by colon, and the entire key and value is separated by comma operators. So for example, employee. So employee is equal to name colon John and age colon 29, salary colon 25,000 and company colon Google. So now I want to print the type of employee. So it will go and print it is a class object and it is a dictionary data type. And after that I'm going to print the employee data, and I'm using a statement print followed by employee. So then I got the output is what are the value key and values are there in the employee, the data is which will going to print. So let us execute this code. So let us execute this code in Google Colab Jupyter Notebook. So it is a free, and it is a freely you have to use Jupyter Notebook without installing a Python and Anaconda Navigator. So if your system is not compatible with Python, you have to go for the Google Colab, and now it is ready for writing a code here. So for example, employee. So employee is equal to and followed by curly brackets and write name. So name colon, you have to write colon after double quotes and followed by John, and the values will be separated by comma, and age. So age and followed by colon, so it is a 22 comma, and one more value is a salary. So salary and after that colon, and it is a 25,000 comma, and a company. So name of the company, so is Google. So is the Google, So now I want to print. What is the type of employee. I want print what is the type of employee. So now let us execute this code. So for the first time execution of this code in Google Colab Jupyter Notebook, it will going to take a time, and after that, after next code onwards, it will going to start executing very fast. Okay, it is connected, and we will get the output is it is a class object, in it is a dictionary data type, and after that I'm going to print employee. After that I'm going to print employee. Let us execute code. So now see here, so for this line it will go and print a name colon John, age colon 22, salary colon 25,000, and company colon Google. And for this line which will go and print a type of employee, the type of employee is a class object, and it is a dictionary data type. So that is about a creation. And next one is so next example, in this example I'm going to create a empty dictionary. So dictionary is equal to followed by open and closing curly brackets, and I want print a dictionary. Then I got the output is empty dictionary. So next one is by using a dictionary method I want to create a dictionary. So DSCT is equal to dictionary method. I'm going to use the parenthesis, in between parenthesis I'm going to write the dictionary. So open curly brackets 1 colon Java and 2 colon T and 3 colon point. So then I want to print a dictionary. So then I got the output is 1 colon Java, 2 colon T, and 3 colon point. And after that, dictionary is equal to, so DSCT function and followed by, so list. So I'm going to write in the form of a list, and that will be going to convert into a dictionary formats. So 1 comma Devansh and 2 comma Sharma, and now I'm going to print the dictionary. Then what is the output here? So see here for the last line, which will go and convert the list into in the form of a dictionary. So 1 colon Devansh and 2 colon Sharma. So next one is accessing the dictionary values. So how will going to access the dictionary values? So already you have discussed in previous class about strings. For accessing of individual characters, you have to use square brackets, and for accessing of a substrings from a given string, you have to use square brackets and followed by colon. So it is called as a range slicing operator. So it is called as a range slicing operator, and it is a slicing operator. So by using a square brackets, you have to access a index. You have to access a particular index value. So that means individual elements can be accessed by using a square brackets, and whereas by using a square brackets and followed by colon, so it will go on to access substrings. So substrings are group of elements from the given list or from the given strings. So let us say the example here. So this is one of the accessing of a elements or data from the dictionary. So that is employee is equal to name colon John, and age is equal 29, salary colon 25,000, and company colon Google. So now I want to print type of employee. So it will go and print the type of employee is a class object, and it is a dictionary data type. After that I'm going to printing the employee data. So like this. So by using a percentile operator. So for example, name is followed by percentile s, and followed by percentile, and followed by dictionary name. So that is employee and followed by name. So it is a accessing. So I'm going to using a square brackets for accessing of a individual values in the dictionary. So percentile and followed by dictionary name and followed by square brackets, you have to write name. You have to access a name, and after that age, and you have to access age, and similarly salary and employee. So let us execute this code in the Jupyter notebook. So we have to take another code, and I have to copy the above example, and after that, so now I'm going to access the data. So by using a print and followed by, so now I am going to access the name is and followed by it is a percentile s, and there is no comma and a percentile, and followed by the dictionary name is employee, and followed by you have to access name in double quotes, so name. And similarly you have to access company. Let us take name of the company. So company name. So company name is followed by percentile s and followed by percentile and followed by employee and followed by company. And after that I want access age. So age of the employee. So age. So age is followed by, it is a integer data type. So you have to write personality followed by employee and followed by age. And finally you have to access one more is called salary. So salary is followed by percentile s and followed by employee and followed by salary. So now let us execute this code. So this is the output. So here the type of employee is a class object and it is a dictionary data type, and the name is followed by name is John and company name. So the company name is Google, and the age is 22 and the salary is 25,000. So by using a square brackets you have to access the individual values from the dictionary. So that is the output of the given example. So if you have any doubts, please post your query in the chat box. So next one is adding dictionary values. So actually the dictionary is a mutable data type. So the dictionary is a mutable data type. So that means it is possible to update the values, or it is possible to reassign values, or it is possible to delete a value from a given dictionary. So for example, if you want adding a dictionary in Python, then you have to use a statement like a dictionary and followed by key is equal to value. So then that value will be added to dictionary. So in this example you have to use the methods update method or append method or insert method. By using the methods you have to add the data to the existing dictionaries. So let us see the example here. So in this example I'm going to create a one empty dictionary, that is equal to dictionary is equal to empty. Now I want to print a same, so it will display empty dictionary. So after that I'm going to creating some dictionary values like dictionary and followed by index number 0 is equal to Peter, and dictionary 2 is equal to Joseph, and dictionary and followed by index number 3 is equal to Ricky. So now I'm going to display the dictionary values, and after that I'm going to write adding set of values with a single key. So by using employee ages does not existing to dictionary. So for example here employee ages, so the employee ages are not existing in the dictionary. So if you want add employee ages, then you have to use a dictionary and followed by name. So name employee followed by ages is equal to 20 comma 33 comma 24. That means Peter the age is 20, and Joseph the age is 33, and Ricky the age is 24. And after that I am going to display the dictionary, and after that I'm going to update the existing key value. So that is index number 3. So at index number 3 or I will directly update third value in a dictionary. So for that I'm going to update the value by using a statement dictionary and followed by 3 is equal to Java T point. So actually at a dictionary 3 it contains Ricky. So now I'm going to update the existing data Ricky as a Java T point, and after updating I want to display the dictionary. Then see here output of this one. So first it will go and display empty dictionary, and after that I'm going to uh, adding dictionary after adding three elements. So it will be a, so I'm going to adding a three elements 0, index number 0, index number 2, or the value is 0, 2 and 3. So that will be 0 will be Peter, and 2 will be Joseph, and 3 will be Ricky. And after that I'm going to adding the employee ages. So employee ages colon and followed by 20, 33 and 24. And after that I'm going to update the value. So that is a Ricky. So the Ricky, that is a third value. I'm going to update it as a Java T point. So that will be updated. So that is the output of the given example. So next one is deleting. So the deleting is also possible. Why? Because dictionary is a mutable data types. So for deleting elements from the dictionary, you have to use the del keyword. So for example, employee is equal to name colon John, age is equal age colon 29, salary colon 25,000, company colon Google. So now I want to print type of employee. Then it will print a class object. It is a dictionary data type. And after that I'm going to print employee. So then it will go and display everything. So next one, after now I'm going to delete the elements. So by using a keyword del and followed by employee and followed by name. So I want to delete the key. So I want to delete the key, that is a name, and company is a key value. And after deleting name and company key value, then I want to print the employee. So then I got name will be deleted and company will be deleted. After that it contain age and salary only. So next one, after displaying employee, after deleting a name and company, and it will display remaining items. After that I am going to delete entire dictionary. So I am going to delete entire dictionary by using a del and followed by employee, and after that I am going to printing the dictionary. So then I got the output is error. So why? Because I already delete the employee data. So if you delete the all values in the employee, and if you are trying to print the employee, it will display syntax error. So let us see the output of this line. So first one, type of employee. So what is the type of employee? It is a class object dictionary data type. So after that I'm going to delete employee and followed by name, and I'm going to delete employee and followed by company. So after deleting name and company, then the remaining values in the dictionary is age and salary only. And after that what you have to do? So after that what you have to do? So I'm going to delete entire employee, that is entire dictionary I want to delete it. Now if you try to print again employee, it will showing error. So why? Because you already delete the employee dictionary. So that's why it will produce the error. So that is our output of the given example. So that is for deleting elements using a del keyword. So next one is a pop method. So in this pop method, so by using a key as an argument, so can pass the, it will go and accept the key as an argument for remove the particular value in a dictionary. So for example, dictionary is equal to 1 colon Java T point and 2 colon Peter and 3 colon Thomas, and I want pop, so dictionary dot followed by pop of 3. So I want pop this one. So I want pop the third value, and it is a key argument. So the pop method which will go and accepted the key as an argument. So in this example the key as an argument is a 3. Then the 3 is deleted, and after displaying a dictionary, then I got the remaining values are 1 colon Java T point and 2 colon Peter, and 3 colon Thomas is deleted. So that is about a pop method. So the pop method accept the key as an argument, and on that particular argument it will going to remove the value. So that is about a pop. And similarly, iterating dictionary. And also you have to apply the different types of built-in functions also, like clear for deleting entire dictionary. You have to use a clear method, and a pop item so function. By using a item function, you have to delete the random elements. So random elements you have to delete it from the dictionary. Okay, so that will be also discussed in the next session. So next one is iterating dictionaries. So it is possible to iterating the dictionary by using a loop control statements. So that is a for loop. So in this example, the dictionary name is employee colon John, name colon John, age colon 29, salary colon 25,000, and company colon Google. So now I'm going to iterate this dictionary values by using a for loop for x. So x is a iterable variable. In is a membership operator and followed by employee. So that means that the first value, so the first value will be in the employee. Yes, it is there in the employee. Then it will go and print a name. It will go and print name. So next value, next key is age. So age in employee. Yes, it is there in the employee. Then it will go and print age. And salary, it will go and print salary. And company, it will go and print company. So it is possible to iterate the dictionary keys by using a for loop. So in this example, for is a loop control statement, and x is a iterable variable, and in is a membership operator, and employee is a dictionary variable. So next example, so now I want to display the values. I want to display the values in a dictionary. So for that, I'm going to use for x in employee colon and followed by print employee of x. Employee of x. So at index number 0, what is a value will be there in the dictionary? That value will be going to print, like John 29, 25,000, and Google, which will going to print. So let us execute code in the Jupyter notebook. So let us delete this code, and I want print type of employee, or otherwise I will use a for loop. So for x in and followed by employee. So for x in employee and followed by colon, and I want to print and followed by employee and followed by index. So employee and followed by x. So now let us execute this code. So now see here, so it will going to take the index number 0. What is the value will be there? So that is a John. And index number 1, what is the value will be there? So that is a 22. And similarly 25,000 and Google. So that values will be going to display. So that means I want to display values in a dictionary. And also it is possible to display the names. So like in the previous slide, so this is for displaying a key values, and this is for displaying a values in a dictionary. So next one is so now I said that I want display values. I want display values in a dictionary. So for that I am using employee colon name colon John, age colon 29, salary colon 25,000, and the company colon Google. So now for x in employee and followed by dot operator and followed by values. So then it will go on to print the values in the dictionary. So what are the values in the dictionary here? So John 29, 25,000, and Google. And it is also possible to display the key values also. So let us execute this one. So here you have tried for x in followed by employee and followed by values. And after that I want to print x. So now let us execute this code. So now see here, the value will be John 22, 25,000 and Google. And it is also possible you have to print keys in a dictionary by using a keys. So let us execute. Okay, we'll see about keys also. I will go and display the keys. So one way for displaying a key is called by using a iterative statements. So by using iterative statements, you have to display the key values like a name, age, salary, company by using a simple iterative statements. And by using a by using a values, you have to display the values in a dictionary. So next one is items. So what are the items are there in the dictionary? So like name colon John, age colon 29, salary colon 25,000 and company colon Google. Now you want display these items in a dictionary. So then you have to use a method or function employee dot items and followed by you have to print X. Then you will get the items in name John, age 29, salary 25,000 and company Google like this. And these are the built-in dictionary functions. So up to now, do you have any doubts? So if you have any doubts, please post your query in the chat box. So up to now, any doubts? So any doubts up to now? So if you have any doubts, please post your query in the chat box. Okay, let us discuss about built-in functions in a dictionary. So the built-in functions in dictionary is comparison. So compare dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. So while comparing dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, uh, if the dictionary 1, so if both dictionary are so it compared the both dictionaries and written true. So written true if the first dictionary value is greater than the second dictionary value. So the first dictionary is greater than second dictionary, then it will go and return true, otherwise it will return false. So next one is the len function. By using len function, you have to find out the length of the dictionary. And by using str and followed by dictionary, so it will go and convert the dictionary into strings. Which will go and convert this dictionary into strings. And the next one type and followed by variable. So by using a type function, you want to know what is the type of the passed variable. So these are the different types of functions, built-in functions, which will be applied on dictionaries. So let us see the first one, cmp and followed by dictionary 1 comma dictionary 2. So in this example, dictionary 1 is equal to name colon jara and age colon 7, and dictionary 2 is equal to name colon some value and age is equal to some value. So these are the dictionary 1 to dictionary 4 values. So now I am going to compare dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. So I am going to compare dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. So in this example, uh, in this example, uh, if uh, if the value will be written as a 0, so that indicate as a both dictionaries are equal. So if both the dictionary values are equal, then it will go and return output is 0 and -1. So when it will return -1 if a dictionary 1 less than dictionary 2. So if the dictionary 1 less than dictionary 2, it will return -1 and 1. So if a dictionary greater than dictionary 2. So whenever the dictionary 1 is greater than dictionary 2, it will return output is 1. So if it is less than, it will return -1. If it is equal, it will return 0. So these are the return values for comparison. So in this example, I want to compare dictionary 1 comma dictionary 2. Then it will go and return -1. So that means the dictionary 1 is less than dictionary 2. So in this example, age is 7 and age is 27. So 7 is less than 27. So 7 is less than 27. So that will be condition is satisfied. That's why it will go and return output is -1. So next one is uh, compare dictionary 2 comma dictionary 3. So the dictionary 2 is name and age and followed by 3. So it contain age values will be similar but names are different. Okay, so the names values are similar but name is different and age will be matching for dictionary 2 comma dictionary 3. So that is dictionary 1 is greater than dictionary 2. So then it will go and return 1. And next one is compare dictionary 1 comma dictionary 4. So for dictionary 1 is Jara and age is 7 and dictionary 4 is name is Jara and age is 7 and both are equal here. So 1 and 4 dictionary values are equal. So that's why it will go and return output is 0. I hope you will be understanding what I am saying. So if the comparison which will go and return 0, so if both dictionaries are equal, it will return -1 if a dictionary less than dictionary 2. It will return 1 if sorry. So if dictionary 1 is greater than dictionary 2. And the next one is alien function. By using a alien function, you have to find out the length of the dictionary. So this is a syntax and this is example. So dictionary is equal to name colon Jara age colon 7 and I want print length of the dictionary by using a alien function. Then I got the length of a given dictionary values are it contain 2 values. So it will go and return length will be 2. So any doubts up to now? So any doubts up to now about comparison and about dictionary? So about alien function. So next one is str and followed by dictionary. So it will go and convert the dictionary to strings. So for example, so dictionary is equal to name colon Jara age colon 7. Now it will go and convert the given data into a strings. So the equivalent string is percentile s followed by percentile str and followed by dictionary. So then it will go and print the equivalent string is age colon 7 and name colon Jara. So it will go and print like this. So it will go and print the output in the form of a strings. So for example, let us execute this code in the Jupyter notebook. So for example, so let us use name and age. So let us use the name and age. Now after that I'm going to apply. So I'm going to apply print function, print followed by. So what is the message here? Equivalent or you have to write the string is and followed by percentile s and followed by percentile operator and followed by str and followed by employee. So employee is my dictionary name. Now let us run this code. So now the string is name colon John and age colon 22. So it will be display as is. So it will going to display the as is. So next one is type function. So by using the type function, you want to know what is a variable type will be. So that will be you are already know about the type functions. And these are the different types of dictionary methods like clear, copy, from keys, get method, items method, keys, and a pop method, pop item, set default, update, values. So these all will be different types of methods in dictionaries. And this topic we will go on to discuss in the next session. We will go and discuss built-in dictionary methods in the next class. And up to now, if you have any doubts, please post your query in the chat box. So that's all about today's session. So if you have any doubts, So please post your query in the chat box. And if you have no doubts, so that's all about today's session, and we will going to meet in the next class. So thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. We'll go and meet in the next.